everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the new Oceans Cleanup hobby and complete its training quest in Heartopia. So first, just head to the Whalefall Canyon, and then next just talk to the one of the archaeology team members. And this step is required before Rory will unlock the hobby for you. And then after that, just talk to Rory like this. And then in here, you will get the Ocean Cleanup hobby quest like this. And then after that, just tap on this shell icon, this one. Just tap on it. Just tap on the shell icon, and then next just simply tap on upgrade, this one. And then the new hobby will be automatically unlocked like this. And then in here you will automatically get the rewards. And then next you will be sent to Oliver to complete the hobby training, which has 6 steps. Just go meet Oliver. You can just follow the guide on this map. And then next just talk to him like this, and then just tap on the Oceans Cleanup Basic, this one. In here you will do 6 steps for the training like this. First, you need to equip your new cleanup tool. You will receive a vacuum-like device that called Oceans Purifier that you can equip from the tools menu like this. And then after that, just clean the nearby coral by tap this button, the Purifier button like this. And then after that, just go back to the Oliver to confirm the steps, and then to do the next steps. So after you complete every step, just go back to Oliver to confirm the next steps. And then after that, next you need to do the advanced cleanup by clean up the hard shell crack or swallowing pollutant like this. Just follow the guide on here like this, and then just do the same things. Just clean the coral, and then after that just go back to Oliver again. And then the next step will teach you about polluted area on the map like this. And then next just open the map like this. Just open the map, and then in here you will notice about the red mark or red locations like this. You can see it. And then after that, just head to the locations marked with the red pollutions icon. And then after that, your first objective is to clean up the camp area until the icon turns yellow like this. And then finally, you will learn how to remove pollutions from yourself. First, just go back to the Oliver again. And then after that, you will be asked to clean yourself. You just need to stand near the sea anemone, and then the pollutions will disappear instantly. This element, and then just doing like this, and then your pollutions will be disappeared. And then after that, next just report back to Oliver again. And then in here you will get the rewards. And then after that, just return to Rory to complete the Oceans Cleanup training quest. Like this. Like this, just like that, your quest will be complete, and you will receive these rewards. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.